Hopefully, you are building and using GPTs either for yourself, for other members of your team, for other teams in your company, or even for prospects, customers, and partners outside of your organization. GPTs are a fantastic way in an enterprise to be able to reuse prompts around specific processes, policies, or documents and templates that you are working on. Now, it's possible to have multiple people that are collaborating on the creation of a GPT. And up until recently, that caused a few challenges where people are, overwriting each other's instructions. It's difficult to understand what has changed and becomes a little bit tricky. But now you can handle version control. And in this video, I just want to show you where that is because it's very well hidden away and show you a little bit about how you can use it. So here I am in a GPT. This is just a customer-led growth coach that helps professional services teams to plan out how to grow their business through their customers. And if I go to the Edit GPT section here, as an editor, I can now come into the edit page for that. And you've got your familiar GPT page. We've got our instructions here where I'm guiding the GPT about what I want it to do. We've got our conversation starters to help guide people in the right direction. And then we've got a little bit of knowledge that I provided into this GPT. So far, so good. Now, fairly well hidden away, we've got these three dots up at the top here. Now, if I click on those three dots, you're going to see version history. I'm going to click on that. And now you can see all of the different iterations that I've had on this GPT since I first created it. Now, I'm the only editor in this one, so you're only going to see my name. But if you imagine a scenario where you've got maybe three sales managers that have collaborated on a sales prospecting GPT, you're going to see different names as people are making these changes. Now, if I click on one of these versions here from back in July, so here is that version of the GPT. Okay, right. Well, we've got a few things here. It's probably different to what it is now, but how do I know what is different to our current version? Well, I click on the compare changes. I've added in the koala logo since then. These are the same. They're all grayed out. But here we've changed the instructions. And so I'd be able to take a look in there and work out what has changed in the instructions. The conversation starters are the same, but I can see that I've added in an image file here, which is actually the koala logo there. And then I can also see that I've made some changes to the capabilities. So I've unticked image generation since that previous version. And since that previous version, the leading model has moved from 4.0 to 5. And so I've updated that. So it's really easy for me to understand who made the change, what changes were made, and if I wanted to, I could restore that version and make that back to the current in play version. So that is the version control for ChatGPT's custom GPTs. Really helpful if you've got multiple people that are owning and editing a GPT that you're using in your organization. Hope that was helpful. Any questions, just let me know in the comments, and plenty more of these videos to come.